Hello. Today I am going to show you how to win in just 10 moves using the fried liver attack. It starts off with pawn e4, pawn e5, knight f3, knight c6, and bishop c4, the Italian game. And then the fried liver attack will only work if black plays knight f6. Then we play knight g5, attacking the pawn on f7. Then black will most likely play pawn d5, which is one of the best moves as well, because if black lets us capture the pawn on f7, doesn't defend it, we fork the queen and the rook. So black here would mostly play pawn d5, capture the pawn with your e4 pawn and capture it. And then black will probably here play knight captures pawn on d5. Then we'll do a brilliant knight sacrifice on f7. If black captures our knight on f7, we move our queen to f3, give a check. And if black moves their king to g8, it's over. Because after bishop captures knight, queen captures, queen captures queen, and then bishop e5, which is also forced, we capture the bishop and win the game. It also works if we capture with the bishop. I mean, with the queen. Because queen captures knight, queen captures queen, bishop captures queen, and then bishop to e6 is forced, and then we capture the bishop. So you can do queen or bishop. But what if black plays instead of king g8 to e6? Well, there's another trap. It's not a trap, but it can give you a good advantage in the game. So if black here plays king e6, which is one of the best moves, then we will add more attacking power to the knight on d5. We'll attack it more. Then here, black will probably play knight b4, or they can also play knight e7, but then it gets in the way of their bishop and their queen, so they will probably play knight b4. Don't worry about the c2 pawn and just castle. And then black will probably add another defender on c6. Then play this surprising move, pawn d4, shattering the defenses in the center. Because if black captures the pawn, then black's king is exposed, and we can do like a lot of things like rook e1 check. So now black's king is exposed, and now we have a huge advantage. So go play this trap and win this game.